Problem set 11. There is the first example of subtraction. So 13. So we have to subtract 6 from 3. It is not possible to subtract 6 from 3. That's why we have to take 1 borrow. So it will be converted to 0 and this will get converted to 13. 13 minus 6. So it gives you 7. So here we cannot subtract 5 from 0. Okay, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we have to take again borrow, so that 0 will be converted to 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Here we have to subtract 8 from 5. It is not possible, so we have to take again borrow. It will get converted to 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the final answer. Second example, we have to subtract 3 from 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. We have to subtract 2 from 1. It is not possible to subtract 2 from 1. We have to take the borrow. And when we are taking borrow, it will get converted to 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. That is the final answer. Next example that we have to take, that we have to subtract 3 from 1. It is not possible to subtract 3 from 1. So we have to take the borrow. But here 0 is there. That's why we have to take borrow from this. This will get converted to 4. This will get converted to, first of all, 10. And when we are converting it to 9, it is 11 minus 3, that is 8. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. 4, you have to subtract 8 from 4. It is not possible to subtract, so we have to take again borrow. So this 4 will convert to 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. We have to subtract 7 from 3. It is not possible to subtract 7 from 3. Again we have to take the borrow. This will get converted to 2 and this 3 will convert to 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Again you have to convert 5 from 2. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 2. We have to take the borrow, so that 2 will convert to 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. That is the final answer. Next example is, we have to subtract 8 from 7. It is not possible, so we have to convert, take a borrow. 17 minus 8, that comes out to be 9. Again we have to subtract 3 from 1. It is not possible to subtract 3 from 1. We have to take a borrow. It will get converted to 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Again we have to subtract 9 from 7. It is not possible to subtract 9 from 7. We have to take a borrow. We have to convert that. 17 minus 9, again the value is 8. Okay, then we have to convert 5 from 2. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 2. We have to take a borrow from again, so it will get converted to 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 4 minus 1 is 3. That is the final answer. Thank you. Then fifth example that we have to see. In the fifth, so next example